And today ended up not being a good day. Well, he come out here with them keys. I'm looking up on the hood. Are you unlocking it right now, babe? I think the guy just unlocked it for me, babe. You hear me, sweetie? I think the guy just unlocked it for me. I think he just unlocked it. Maybe that's him right here. Cause the lights on it now. Yeah, it gotta be our guy right there. This our chauffeur gotta be him right there. Subaru STI, yeah, he got the lights on that bed. Look at this green bullet. You cool? It's okay if you with my friends. Look, this thing look like on the inside. Got the bullet. Hi, baby. How you doing today, sir? Bullet Mustang.
Nice.
Yes, it is.
Look at the stitching on seats. Green.
Subaru. The stitching in the seats. Oh, I see the stitching in the seats. How it's green. That's nice. You know, this one is like pretty much like a limited edition of the Mustangs. The Bullitt. Get a shot of the inside of it from this angle. Yes, sir. Can I pop the hood and look at the hood? Yes, sir. Yeah, definitely. Yes, sir. Appreciate it. Does it sound good or does it sound basic?
It sounds amazing.
Amazing.
Cruising, it definitely feels like you definitely feel it's smooth.
Oh, nice intake.
Mm-hmm.
Could you crank it or?
Yeah.
Yeah? Could you get the camera, babe? I'm gonna pop the hood so we can look at the motor as it runs. Okay. Thank you, babe. This does sound good. Yes, sir. I appreciate it. Beautiful car. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you for cranking it up. Excuse me, babe. Hey, That's good. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Oh, yeah, that's very nice right there. Yes. Oh, wow, you seen the pedals in there, baby?
Oh,
Pedals.
stitching.
Huh. Very beautiful car.
I thought that was brown.
Burgundy and black. Have fun, go get groceries in it. Excuse me, baby. STI Limited. Okay. Can I hear it crunk up, and then I'll leave you alone after that? Yes, sir. Thank you. This one looks like it'll be really fast too. Yes, sir. If it won't crank up, it's okay. I'll at least get a shot of the motor if that's okay. Okay, side up. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you. This bad right here, I ain't gonna lie. I love the Mustang though, but this one is bad right here. Yes, sir. Thank you. Yes, yes.